Welcome to Dana-Farber Cancer Institute's Longwood campus. You will enter through the Dana-Farber parking garage on Jimmy Fun Way. You can follow the signs for valet parking or self-park on floors P3 through P6 of the garage. Push the button for a parking ticket. Keep this ticket with you for validation later. If you are being dropped off, have your driver take you to floor P1 of the garage. After parking, whether self-park, valet, or drop-off, take the parking elevator to floor 1 of the Yawkey building. You will check in and go through a health screening. After screening, you will get a sticker to wear. There are virtual interpreters here. Dana-Farber is large, so if you need a wheelchair, request one at any time. Take the main elevator to floor 2 of the Yawkey building. If this is your first visit, you may go to central registration to fill out new patient forms if you haven't already. At central registration, you can make updates to your information on file or meet with financial counselors. Also on floor 2 is the outpatient pharmacy, a multi-faith chapel, and laboratory services. Laboratory services is where you will probably go next. At lab services, you will get a yellow badge known as an RTLS badge so staff can find you, and it also helps us with patient flow. Refer to your appointment schedule to see where each appointment is located. Look for volunteers wearing blue vests. If you need help finding your way, you can ask them for directions. If you need an interpreter, you will meet them at your appointment. Next, take the main elevator to your clinic floor. In the Yawkey building, exam rooms are on floors 5 through 11. Infusion areas are on floors 6 through 11. Check in at the front desk. You will get an RTLS badge if you did not get one already. If you are a patient, caregiver, or helping a patient, give your parking ticket to the person at the front desk. They will validate it. Before your appointment, someone will check your vitals like heart rate and temperature. Along with doctors and nurses, your team may include clinical assistants, social workers, and resource specialists. There are stations in the infusion areas on floors 6 through 11 where you can get food and drinks anytime. Around noon, volunteers will come around with a lunch cart, which has free drinks, snacks, and lunches. If you have time, you can check out the Eleanor and Maxwell Blum Patient and Family Resource Center or Friends Place, which are located on floor 1 of the Yockey Building. The International Patient Center is also located here. You can find a list of helpful resources in the new patient packet you received or on the Resources and Support Services page on danafarber.org. Breakfast, lunch, and snacks can be purchased in the Levine Dining Pavilion on floor 3 of the Yockey Building. Next to it is the Healing Garden, which is a peaceful place to relax. On floor 3 of the Yockey Building, there are bridges that connect to other buildings, like the Dana Building and to other hospitals. Most imaging and radiation appointments are in the Dana Building. To get there, walk across the Pan Mass Challenge or PMC Bridge on floor 3. You can also take the main elevators to floor P2 of the Yockey Building. Then walk through the tunnel to floor L2 of the Dana Building. For radiation or nuclear medicine appointments at Dana-Farber, go to floor L2 of the Dana Building. For imaging appointments at Dana-Farber, like mammograms, ultrasounds, and x-rays, go to floor L1 of the Dana Building. If you have an MRI appointment at Dana-Farber, it will be on either floor L1 or floor 3 of the Dana Building. For integrative therapy appointments like acupuncture and massages, visit the Leonard P. Zachem Center for Integrative Therapies and Healthy Living. To get here, go to floor 1 of the Dana Building lobby and follow the signs to the Shields Warren Building. You need an appointment for most services here. Remember to return your yellow badge at the desk when you check out, or put it in one of the boxes on the wall near the elevators. Before you go, take your validated parking ticket and pay for parking. You can pay at a machine on floor 3 of the Dana Building near the Jimmy Fund Clinic, or on floor 1 of the Yockey Building near the parking elevators. You can also pay at the parking cashier on floor P1 of the parking garage in the Yockey Building. After paying, take the parking elevators on floor 1, 2, or 3 of the Yockey Building to the parking garage floor you parked on. If you use valet, give your ticket to the attendant at the parking cashier on floor P1. The attendant will bring your car to you. Thank you for joining us on this tour. We are here to help.